Good morning, Nick Inman here from VolumeProfileTrader.com, Wednesday, December 28th, and we got exactly what we were looking for in the market after a weak close relative to the point of control from yesterday, and what we're seeing now is exactly what we want, and this is why Volume Profile trumps any other trading idea, trading method, whatever you want to call it. And the reason why, look at overnight. We've been talking about 1255. 1255 has to hold. And look at last night. Yesterday, we bounce off this high volume area, push higher, push up to the value area high for December, and then basically, from yesterday, we have this resistance, and rolled over from there, closed weak, not on the lows, but we closed weak, and then we made a lower high in Globex, and continued lower, and you can see we bounced right off of 1255 being, the low was 1255.25, so by one tick, we bounced off the point of control from 1255 all the way up nearly 10 points. So it shows you that, we bounced off of a bigger time frame support level because we moved 10 straight points. It's not like we bounced 3 points, we bounced nearly 10 points. So now we're back up at resistance. So now you anticipate our trading zone, or our trading area. We got our top around 1263 or so. You can see once we got up to these levels, now we have some selling tails. No bar has closed above 1263.50 on an hourly basis, and that's pretty negative. You can see, let me zoom out one. You can see the whole moving averages the shortest ones are starting to go overpriced. That shows you that we're imbalanced, and the bottom of our range is this 1255 level. Why? Because we bounced off of those levels. So, that's our trading area, and until we breach one to the upside or downside, then that's the way we have to trade. I would say that you want to be a buyer around 1255 rather than a seller at 1263 or so, only because the bounce that we got overnight on that 1250 off of that 1255 level was very nice, and it was a straight move, whereas 1263 down to 1255 was more like a grind, and you probably would have been stopped out if you were day trading the S&P futures, or I should say trading overnight or holding overnight. So overnight's price action overall, to wrap it up, it concluded what I talked about in last night's video, which was, looks like we're going into some type of balance range. So, be careful. Realize that if the market, it's 8:30 Eastern time right now, so we have an hour till the open. But if the market opens up at these levels, realize we are at the top of the range, and people may be interested in selling into this rather than buying this and bringing it higher. So just keep an eye on it. But if we do make new highs, we did make new highs Globex relative to yesterday. But if we do make new highs, then maybe you have a trade. You probably do have a trade to the upside, but realize that we would have a gap from, call it 1260. So a small gap, 3 points, but it's there, and very light volume. Remember, so be careful. Anyways.